How to filter or organize your Spotify library. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to filter or organize your Spotify library. So the first thing you guys need to do is just know that you can filter your Spotify library through or on your mobile, but when it's come to a custom you need to do this on desktop. So first simply we learn how to filter your Spotify library. Just click on your playlist, drag down, bring filter, or this will bring a filter on very top in an option of sort. Click on a sort option. Here you can change your or sort your playlist or your library, organize according to your like. You can organize it in the form of title, recently added, artist, album, whatever you need to do. This will filter or organize your Spotify library. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends. Thank you.